Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 10 biggest decluttering lies that might be holding you back from living your best, clutter-free life. These myths can sabotage your progress, but not anymore. Let's get started. 1. I might need this someday. This is the classic trap. If you haven't used it in over a year, chances are you won't need it. Keep essentials, not just in case items. 2. Decluttering is a one-time job. Decluttering isn't a one-off task. It's an ongoing process. Life changes and so do your needs. Regularly reassess and let go of what no longer serves you. 3. Sentimental items must be kept forever. Memories live in your heart, not in objects. Keep a few meaningful items, but don't let sentimentality overwhelm your space. 4. It's wasteful to get rid of things. Holding on to unused items is the real waste. Donate, recycle, or repurpose. Giving items a new life elsewhere is far from wasteful. 5. Decluttering means minimalism. Decluttering is about creating space for what matters to you, not fitting into a minimalist mold. Your version of decluttered is personal. 6. If it was expensive, I can't let it go. The money is already spent. Keeping something just because it was costly doesn't bring back its value. If it's not useful or loved, it's okay to let it go. 7. I need to be perfectly organized to declutter. Decluttering comes first, then organization. You can't organize clutter. Start with what you have and simplify as you go. 8. Decluttering is only about physical stuff. Mental and emotional clutter are just as important. Simplifying your schedule, relationships, and digital life can be transformational. 9. I have to declutter everything at once. Decluttering can be overwhelming if you try to do it all at once. Break it down into small, manageable tasks. Progress over perfection. 10. Decluttering is boring and tedious. Not true. Put on your favorite playlist, set a timer, and make it fun. The sense of accomplishment afterward is incredibly rewarding. Now that you know the truth about these decluttering lies, it's time to take action. Which lie resonated with you the most? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more decluttering tips.